Well, a night on Broadway shines the spotlight on some historic theaters in downtown LA. Enjoy some of the city's most popular museums for free, and fine art comes alive at the LA Convention Center. That's all in this week's Things to Do. Night on Broadway is back. It's the 8th anniversary of the Los Angeles City Council member Jose Huizar's Bringing Back Broadway initiative, a 10-year plan for the revitalization of the historic Broadway corridor. This free one-night extravaganza in downtown Los Angeles will feature programming on the historic stages of glorious theaters often closed to the public, as well as a large street festival with an outdoor stage of its own. Internationally renowned artists, acrobats, performers, musicians, and other acts will fill the storied Broadway corridor with art, entertainment, food, and music, with a special focus on Broadway as the heart of downtown Los Angeles. The event takes place on Saturday, January 30th from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. in downtown LA. For more, visit nightonbroadway.la. Clear your calendar for Museums Free for All Saturday on January 30th, when more than 24 museums in the LA area will offer free admission, not including specially ticketed exhibitions or parking, allowing local residents an amazing opportunity to check out the culture of their city free of charge. You can see anything from art to natural history and science. Participants for this year include many locations that are not normally free, such as the Natural History Museum, LACMA, MoCA, and the Descanso Gardens, along with museums that regularly offer free admission, such as both Getty campuses and the Broad. For more, visit SoCalMuseums.org. If you're an art enthusiast, get your fill at the Los Angeles Fine Art Show. It'll feature a rich blend of premier historic and contemporary art. Unique in the art fair world, dealers from around the globe will converge at the Los Angeles Convention Center to share their exceptional variety of fine and decorative art, spanning all styles and centuries, with serious collectors, interior designers, and museum curators. 20 years ago, the Los Angeles Fine Art Show was created as a regional show, reflecting the city's evolving nature. Today, it continues that tradition, offering an extraordinary range of genres from 18th century European paintings to contemporary realism. This year, the Los Angeles Fine Art Show is dedicated solely to historic and contemporary art. Check it out at the LA Convention Center January 27th through the 31st. For more, visit losangelesfineartshow.com. And that's a look at some things to do.